Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Solana coin. This time Solana has broken out another pattern, and this time it is again another down channel. You can see that the price line has broken out the resistance of this channel, and at the same time it has formed a harmonic bullish reversal setup as well. So let's start the analysis, but before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I have shared my link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let me show you first the harmonic setup, and then I'll take you to this down channel as well. This was a bullish butterfly move that I've shared today for my members at the Patreon. And when the price line was entered the buying zone, I shared this pattern, and you can see price line was moving up after completion of the final leg of the bullish butterfly, and the buying range was from $175.79 and goes to $169.47. And now I'm just going to play the chart, and we can see that the price line again moved down up to $171 and reverse bullish. So far it has reached up to here and hit the sell targets. However, now I'm expecting from here it can start more powerful bullish move, because I have observed that whenever Solana is forming a harmonic bullish reversal setup, and while moving up from the potential reversal zone of this harmonic move, any harmonic move, if it breaks out any pattern, then it pumps very well. Like previously I shared this pattern with you, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern, and this was also on the 4-hourly chart. I think, let me show you, this was on the 2-hourly time frame chart, and you can see the price line moved down. This was a perfect Gartley formation. Now after playing the chart, we can see the price line from $137 rallied up to $216. You can see perfectly it is reverse bullish from this potential reversal zone of the bullish Gartley, and same is like that. I'm expecting this time it can be another big pump. Now before showing you this breakout from this down channel, first of all I would like to show you this broadening formation on the 4-hourly time frame chart, and you can see that whenever the price line is getting bounced by the support, it is forming higher than previous highs, and here the price line has also formed a resistance, and this is the support for the price line, and now it has become a long-term support. You can see it has been breaking as a support since 26th of August 2021, and the price line is not breaking down this support. And this time, if the price action will hit this resistance somewhere here, then it can reach up to between $230 to $250. However, if we will have more sideways moves, and if the price line will reach the resistance after a sideways move, then the move can be bigger. Now let's take a look at this breakout. Right now the price line was moving since 9th of September. Since yesterday it was moving in this down channel, and here it has recently broken out the resistance of this down channel. We have a very powerful attempt here. We had another very powerful attempt here as well, and even we also had a powerful attempt to break down the support of this down channel. But you can see that for the past several hours it has been breaking as a very nice resistance and nice support, and finally we are out of this channel. In fact, this is the candlestick that broke out this resistance of the channel. Therefore, we need the next candlestick to close above this candlestick, the previous candlestick, which broke out this resistance of the channel. Then this breakout will be confirmed, and after this breakout we can expect that again the price line can reach the resistance of this broadening formation, because you can see that recently here on this candlestick we have already tested this support of this broadening formation, and after every bounce by this broadening formation, the price line is continuously hitting the resistance of this broadening formation and forming higher than previous highs. Now here I would like to show you one more thing. Here I have also placed the RSI oscillator, and you can see the price line on this 4-hourly time frame chart is forming higher lows, and if I place this trend line here on the oscillator, then we can see that it is continuously forming lower lows. So this, the hidden bullish divergence, appeared on this 4-hourly time frame chart. Therefore you can see that the price line is hitting the resistance every time and forming higher than previous highs. And it is also possible that at any time the price line will also break out this resistance of this broadening formation as well. But you can also set your stop loss. If you want to buy Sol coin here, then you can also set your stop loss here. That is the support of this broadening formation and approximately the support of this down channel on the hourly time frame chart as well. Right now, it is possible that the price line will move down to retest the support, this previous resistance of this down channel as a support. If it will be failed, then it can move down again to test the support of the channel. However, once we will have a successful retest and the next candlestick will be closed above this candlestick, which have broken out this resistance of this down channel, then the breakout will be confirmed, and we can expect a very big move, at least up to this resistance of this broadening formation. So this was the today's Solana coins trade setup. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.